Everyone, this is Evan with Life with Crypto, and today we're going to jump in and do an introduction to DeFi, or Decentralized Finance. And I'm going to start off, explaining what DeFi is, comparing it to what Centralized Finance is. The biggest dog in Centralized Finance is Coinbase, and you have all heard of Coinbase, hopefully. And I'm going to show you what the top centralized exchanges are. So Coinbase is number 2, and if you thought that was the biggest, just look at Binance, which is bigger by, a factor of 5. $29 billion going through Binance each day, $7 billion being traded on Coinbase. So this is what a centralized exchange is. It's controlled by a company, and all the decisions are made behind closed doors. And if you are there, you actually get to, trade until they don't want you to. You make too many trades, you put in the wrong money, your bank account doesn't work, you'll get banned. So that's the difference between centralized finance and decentralized finance. It's not centrally regulated. So let's jump into decentralized finance, also known as DeFi. So this is a DeFi overview. And this is actually very interesting. This shows you the amount of total locked value, meaning the amount of money people have put into these different DeFi protocols or exchanges or websites. And it's gone up from a mere 15 billion 1 year ago to up to almost 200 billion a little bit earlier this year. And I can show you another page that shows you a little bit of a different results. I don't think they have all the same data. But yeah, about 12 billion up to about 125 billion. So there's probably a lot more DeFi exchanges and swaps, and these guys can actually track both DeFi Pulse and DApp Radar, but they're a good start. So what is, how do you use DeFi? Can you actually just jump in and get an exchange and sign up and put in your bank account, your social security number, your passport? The thing about DeFi is you don't need to do any of that. There's no KYC or know your customer, which the rules that these centralized finance operations like Coinbase make you do. You always need an SSN, social security number, your documents, and they know exactly who the money is tied to. So no one can launder money, and that's the whole point of this. However, with decentralized finance, you have a decentralized wallet. And the big one that everyone uses is MetaMask. And what MetaMask is, it's just a Chrome browser extension, also works on Brave. And what it allows you to do is have value, your coins, on a non-centralized exchange, on a decentralized wallet. And there's many different wallets, but many people prefer MetaMask because it works on most exchanges. So if I can just show you what it's like to jump in here and look at an actual DeFi exchange. This is called Pancake Swap. And just to let you know how powerful Pancake Swap is and how much attention they have, if we click on DeFi exchanges here, you will see that the top 3 is Uniswap v3, Pancake Swap, Uniswap, Trader Joe's, which is Avalanche. These are the top swaps or DeFi exchanges, and you can access all of these with the MetaMask wallet. So if someone sends you money and no one knows whose wallet that is, you can have a wallet with money. No one knows who that wallet is connected to. And all you have to do is connect through your MetaMask. Connect. And then all of a sudden, you can now swap, trade, make money with your crypto by staking, and even do these other options that they have, like NFTs or gambling. And let's just show you what it's like. So if I were to trade my max amount of BNB, just like a centralized exchange, we'll just do USDT, and I were to go, I'm gonna buy this much. Well, I'm actually gonna buy $5 worth of USDT with BNB. And I can do that right now because I have this DeFi wallet. And I'll make the swap. Swap the BNB, which is Binance, the coin for this actual decentralized exchange. We go through, we approve the transaction. and slowly but surely it will clear and will be added to my wallet. And this is really becoming one of the biggest things, and so much more money is pouring into DeFi, and you see I just got the $5 into my wallet, is because it is cheaper, it's easier to build on these, and no one controls this. There's no centralized entity to control DeFi. It's code, it's scripts, it's programming, and it's not humans. So this is one of the greatest things that's come about, and it is exploding right now. All right, so now we're going to jump into the top 5 DeFi chains that are also very secure. So the first one on the list, as many of you have heard of, is Ethereum. And it is the big dog because it has the most attention, it's been around the longest, and probably has the most built on it. It also has very expensive gas fees, which mean every time you need to make a transaction on Ethereum, it costs a considerable amount of money, but many people have built on it. So as you can tell, the total locked-in value is 102 billion, which is probably much higher than any of these other protocols I'm going to jump into. But let's jump into the next, also very secure chain, is Cardano. And Cardano just recently allowed a new feature called smart contracts, which allowed people to start building apps on Cardano. And that was a big movement for Cardano. So soon there's going to be a lot more stuff built out on Cardano, and it's going to be more useful. So they also have a great website. Polkadot has also been around for a very long time, and they also have many projects on it, and it also is a stable, secure protocol. Terra is a new one that's gaining a lot of attraction and a lot of attention. A lot of money's pouring into Terra. Luna's the token, and Terra's the chain. And they do a lot of very interesting things, and they have a lot of different things built on them. Web3 apps, DeFi projects, and NFTs. And one that many of you have heard about is Solana. Solana is also backed by the billionaire founder of FTX, and it is also a very sleek and sexy protocol, and a lot of very interesting things are being built on it. A lot of attention going to it, and transactions are lightning quick, super cheap, and they're very design focused, as you can see. So they're very focused on the aesthetics, but they also do a great product. Okay, moving on, we're going to jump into the top, centralized or decentralized lending and borrowing platforms. So you can actually earn money with your crypto or stable coins. So a lot of people are using BlockFi these days. And what BlockFi is it's a platform or protocol where you sign up and you're able to deposit as little as $400 and begin to make money with your stable coins, cash, or with your crypto. So just to show you why I find this very impressive is, say you had stable coins, so that would be like USDC. You had $1,000 and you're going to do this for a year. You could be making $89 a year, so that's 9%, which is about 10 times better than any checking account, and it's pretty impressive. And also they support all sorts of different cryptos: ETH, BAT, DAI, which is another stablecoin, BUSD, Link, obviously Bitcoin and ETH as well. So you can deposit money there. You can take loans from your crypto that are deposited, so you don't have to trigger any sells, so you don't have any capital gains, which is nice. And Celsius does some of the same thing exactly, and you see some very interesting numbers of what you're getting, whether you're putting in your stable coins and you're getting, let's go down here. You could be getting as high as, I think, about 9% for your stable coins. If you click right here, it doesn't exactly show you the amount you'll be making, but here it is, 10% for your stable coins, and then for all your coins, you could be making pretty considerable amount for different coins. So this has a very sleek interface. You get paid a little bit more if you accept the interest payment in their Celsius token. And they have a great offer for it when you sign up. So I think it's a great way to store a little bit of money if you're not putting it to use anywhere else. Jumping into another platform, which I think is great, is a decentralized platform called Aave. And Aave is completely decentralized. They have 26 billion, and they're available on all the different chains. It's a little bit more complex in that you need a MetaMask wallet. You need to connect, and you can not only deposit and you make an APR, but you can borrow and make another %. Maybe their payout would not be quite as good as Celsius or BlockFi, but it is a pretty interesting protocol because they support many more coins. A little bit more confusing, but you can see many people are doing this. You see about 2 billion people supplying DAI, which is a stable coin. So to sum this up, there's some great platforms and protocols out there. And I would really consider, if you want to create an account with either BlockFi or Celsius, please find the link in the description. And if you sign up with the link and you deposit at least $400, you'll get at least $40, which is really nice. You know, you're never going to get $40 so easily and freely. So I'd sign up for both, get the bonus for both of these. Check the link in the description. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and make sure to throw a comment in the comment section. I'm happy to answer any of the questions you have, and I look forward to seeing you on the next videos.